About chaos, no one knows a sign. Everyone thinks the road is mine. The bevels flying, tires screaming pain. Lights are crossing, thunder in the lane. Mr. Spellman's rolling, laughing free.
Low Star.
In chaos, Strava, that's reality. Panic picture.
Je to vůbec tady?
Nevím. Máme peníze vůbec.
Jestli to výběrčí, jestli to není jenom nějaká lopata. No víc, 50 lidi. Kurva, to sparkuje tu na louce? Chce se ti tam?
No,
Když jsme skoro tu?
to už tam zajdem podívat, no.
Boha.
Ale jestli pak budeme mít...
Ale hrad je tam parkoviště tam dál, já chci jít tam dál.
Máme 100.
Dobrý.
Parkovně 100 korun. A taky jsem tam.
My jsme kodáři, my tam jedeme opravit vodu na hrad, nebo co?
Ne.
Prý vám tam teče voda.
Jo, ty máš? Tak proč to hledám?
Jako jezdit na hrad, nebo si děláte srandu?
Já si srandu.
Jo.
It screams, oh no. Trash bins dancing, bitches fight slow. Grab my keys, trip on the floor. Great start already, what could go wrong more?
Green lights on, I'm ready to fly. Guy in front still waving goodbye. Phone in hand, mouth full of roll. Drives like Google Maps stole his soul.
I hit record,
I don't care why.
I hit road,
I don't care why.
no money, no money, no fame, just me and my car. Check them, 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 check them. Intersection, total mess. Four-way stop, not just guess. Left goes right, straight goes pray. Everyone moves, no one's okay.
Grandma flooring 65. Taxi driver, taxi still alive. Blinkers flashing, random lights. Turn signals used as decoration prize.
I hit record,
I don't care why.
I hit record,
I don't care why.
no money, no money, no fame, just me and my car.
Asi víte, ne?
A kuřízka.
Tuning psycho in a lower dream. Exhaust goes brrr like broken machine. Sticker says racing, spoilers huge. Can't park straight on a pull loose.
Bass so loud my mirrors cry. Lights go purple, green then sky. Car worth $5, ego 10 grand. Physics again, I don't understand.
Suddenly cyclist from hell. No hands, no lights, no fear as well.
Tam věl, že? Frajer. Je to na červenou. Ty skurvísyn. Vyhrál. Jak palí.
Vole.
Ten pohunek to okamžitě pochopil.
Crazy drunk driver.
Jsi dělat prdel, ne? Co to
Aby ses neposrál.
Tak jen debil takhle.
Já bych neměla odhad, abych takže to čukuju.
Co děláš, na co máš ty 40, ty buzerante?